In this Blender tutorial, we're going to export a USD, Universal Scene Description, from Blender. That way we can import it into Unreal for later use in virtual production. But we need to be able to export this as a Universal Scene Description. Unreal has a great importer, so first let's just export this from Blender. I have everything here in my scene that I want to export. You can select the things that you want to export. Right now I also have some point lights and some meshes and a camera. So depending if you only want the meshes, you can just select what you want or export everything. Then go to File, Universal Scene Description, USD. Navigate to where you want to export your USD. Here we have the option to include selection only. If you have animation such as something moving around or blinking lights or any other animation, you can export the animation. Leave the units as meters. And then we can decide if we want a world dome light, lights, meshes, cameras, which parts you need. We definitely want to have UV maps. And then we just select Export USD. Navigate it to where you exported your USD, and you should see a textures folder. Here we have these different textures that are from our project. Make sure that the textures are here. We need to make sure that we have these included so we can import them into Unreal Engine. Hopefully you're able to export a USD, Universal Scene Description with textures from Blender. Happy 3D modeling!